What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Update error KB5051989 or KB5051987 not installing or downloading on your Windows device. So let's get right into this. So there's two quick ways to fix this error. The first thing is to just type in troubleshoot settings into your search bar to have this pop up, and then click into additional troubleshooters, and then click into Windows Update to basically run the troubleshooter for your Windows Update. It literally says resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows. Yes, there's literally a troubleshooter for that. The next thing you do, if that does not fix it for you, is go back into your search bar and type in services until you see this pop up, and type in the W or just write Windows until you see the Windows Update and Windows Update Medic Service section pop up here. Right click into this, go to Properties. First, you want to start both of them, and then you want to make it into automatic for both of them. If it is started, you want to stop it and then start it again for both of them. Basically, you doing this, restarting your computer, you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash that thumbs up. Guys in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that. More tutorials out. Peace.